everyone, today I will tell you about the AGL tiles, Asian Granito Indian tiles. These are the limited, which is providing you the great variety of tiles in India and in world also. And they have recently issued right issue in the market to get stable condition in the market because of the last year COVID-19 effect. They were not able to cooperate very well in the market, so now they have right issue in the market to the existing shareholders of the company. Right issues are those which are issued for the company's shareholders only, and and they are provided at the discounted rate. So let's get started and see what the AGL company is doing and how they have issued the right issue shares and for what variety. First of all, I would like to tell you about the AGL Limited. Asian Granito Indian manufacturer ceramic walls and floor tiles, grazed vinyl tiles, polished varieties tile, and composite marble and quartz in India. It operates 10 manufacturing facilities with a total capacity of 34 million square meters per annum and footprints in 78 countries. Now I will tell you about the right issue of shares. What is the right issue of the shares? Right issue of the shares are the shares which where the existing holders have the first right to subscribe the share. They are usually issued at the discounted as compared to prevailing share price. Now the features gives preferential treatment to existing shareholders, and existing shareholders can trade the rights. Amount of right issues in the market proportion to existing holding. Shareholders can choose to ignore the right issues. Now, why the right? Raise large amount of capital, have longer gestation period, suitable in projects where debt and loan fund is not available. Company can improve debt to equity ratios to pay off the debt to ease the financial strength. These are the rights why the company has issued the rights. Post right issue market price may depend upon the factors such as the reason for the issue of the rights, shares by the company, the future prospects for the growth of the company, the industry overlook, the general market trend, etc. Now about the AGL. AGL is also said that it is committed to the development of its subsidiaries Crystal Ceramics Industries Private Limited and Amazon Ceramic Limited.